We all inherit genetic qualities that make us measurably different from anyone else. Each individual is unique, from our fingerprints to our DNA. There's even unique information in here. Your breath. Each breath can be transformed into your own unique metabolic measurement through the technology of Metacheck. Metabolic testing with Metacheck will reveal how many calories your body burns at rest, a measurement known as RMR. Pinpointing your RMR helps you know how to balance what you eat with what you burn. Simply put, if you burn more energy than your body absorbs, you will lose weight. This is a proven fact regardless of what weight loss program you adhere to. Now in the past, if you didn't get tested at a university or a hospital, knowing how many calories you burn has been nothing more than a guessing game. A guessing game using outdated formulas that estimate metabolic rates based on the average population. Can you imagine if the doctor just estimated your heart rate by looking on some chart, or your temperature by putting his hand on your forehead instead of using a thermometer? Who would ever settle for an estimate when an actual measurement is possible? Now Core has made it possible for you to get a precise metabolic rate measurement based on an individual's oxygen consumption. These old formulas? Obsolete. Imagine the opportunities for fitness professionals and dietitians to provide an exciting new service. Exact metabolic measurements to pinpoint a person's unique caloric expenditure. Sounds like complicated stuff, right? Well, if you think about all of the research, development, and technology that's gone into the Metacheck, you know, what actually happens inside of this box? Sure, there's a lot of complicated science involved here, but to run the device, interpret the results, and explain them to your clients, that part is incredibly easy. Anyone can learn how to administer a metabolic test with the Metacheck. For starters, there's some basic information your clients will need to know to prepare for their test. Core has created a simple handout that instructs them to avoid exercise and stimulants the day of testing, and to not eat for at least 1 hour before the test. Next, you need to keep in mind we are measuring whatever your client's metabolic rate is at that particular time. So to get a resting metabolic rate, they need to be just that, relaxed and resting. It's best to do testing in a quiet area, away from noise or distractions. It's also optimal that those being tested be in a reclining position. We're now going to show you what happens during actual testing. Elizabeth here will be our client. Simply turn on the device and wait while it calibrates. This usually takes 2 to 3 minutes. Once the display reads calibration complete, we're ready to hand the mouthpiece to Elizabeth. You'll want to seal your lips around the mouthpiece, and we'll have you use this nose clip so that we make sure that all of the air you breathe out will be analyzed by the Metacheck. Once she's comfortable, just connect the hose to the box. The analyzer goes to work automatically as soon as the first breath is detected. Just breathe in and out. That's all there is to it. In approximately 10 minutes, the display will read test complete, and the Metacheck will beep indicating that the test is finished. The results will be printed out in this easy-to-read format that makes explaining and understanding the results a breeze. The energy balance scale illustrates the relationship between the calories you burn and how much you eat. Resting metabolic rate, lifestyle activities, and exercise all contribute to the client's daily caloric expenditure. The Metacheck measures the resting metabolic rate and then uses that information to calculate lifestyle and exercise calories burned. It then determines the precise range of calories required for safe, comfortable weight loss, what we refer to as the weight loss zone. Knowing precisely how many calories a person burns makes it easy to prescribe a weight loss program that encourages them to eat enough to maintain a healthy metabolism yet still lose weight. And it's all right here. Real numbers that will lead to real results. The back of the Target Caloric Zones report explains resting metabolic rate and the energy balance scale in more detail, serving as an additional resource and teaching aid for your clients. That's all there is to it. Operating the Metacheck is straightforward, easy to understand, and Core walks you step by step through explaining the results to your clients. To get you up and going right away, we provide all of this support material so you can quickly start advertising with Core's Target Zones program in a box. It comes with the marketing material you see here, including a sample of Core's weight loss tools. You also get the CD filled with newspaper ads, direct mailers, and other materials, all customizable to your own promotional ideas. We even give you a 30-day free trial with approved credit. We make sure you've had a full month to discover that it is this easy to use and that the metabolic information it provides will help you attract and keep clients and provide additional revenue streams. It's basically risk-free. For about the cost of a treadmill, you can offer your clients something totally unique and leading edge, a weight loss program based on their own unique metabolic measurements.